Hello guys, welcome to my Advent channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Roblox closes instantly after launching on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Roblox closes automatically when you launch on your laptop or desktop, then I will show you a simple method to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to try and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, most of the issues will be resolved automatically. After restarting your PC, still you are facing the issue, then you need to open the CMD. Just click on this start menu and type here CMD. And click on command prompt, run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. In this you need to type sfc space / scan now and hit enter. It will take some time. After completion of this, check whether your problem is fixed or not. Still you are facing the issue, then you just need to disable your default antivirus on your Windows. For that, you just need to click on start menu, click on settings, click on privacy and security, click on Windows security, click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, you can see here virus and threat protection. Click on manage setting. You can see here real time protection. You just need to disable this option and check after disabling. Hope your issue will be resolved. Still you are facing the issue, you need to check whether your Windows is up to date or not. Click on start menu, click on settings again, click on Windows update and check if there is any update pending on your Windows. If there is any pending, just click on update. After trying, still you are facing the issue, then you need to uninstall and reinstall your Roblox. For that, you just need to click on start menu, click on settings, click on apps and features, click on this search option and find Roblox. Just click on this three dot and click on uninstall. This will uninstall your Roblox. After completion of this uninstall, just close this window, open your browser and type here download Roblox. This is Roblox official website. You have to download the latest version of the Roblox from this Roblox website. After downloading, just install this Roblox. After installing, once you need to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Roblox closes instantly after launching on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.